firstly you have to set in your mind that I have to do something. Then
Yes,
after
yes,
everything will be do smoothly.
yes. And universe
Right.
also help in our journey. Yes.
Firstly, yeah, fine.
May I know about your English learning journey?
So this type of things I notice in my surrounding and in my day-to-day life. Like people want
Indo-Western type of clothes also, yeah. And you mentioned, yes, jeans also. And yeah, I can say in music, hip hop, like many form of music, hip hop, that dance form also. So that's also very influencing. What part of Western culture influence like the most?
is mainly influence us because earlier it was not, but now these days we can't live without.
One, I can say a movie. I think I don't know you watch or not. I also not full movie watch, but yeah, little bit. So there is a mention.
New Year.
So
Yeah,
that's
mostly.
also uh, influence. We
It
are
was, yeah, it
influenced.
was national, yeah, national. I mean, it was Western culture, but we also celebrate 1st January.
No, the real New Year.
English.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and I feel like their mother tongue is English.
And so the Valentine week. So that also Western culture. Many type of day I can say promise day, hug day, many type of. So that's also Western
Rose
culture.
Day, Valentine.
Indian practice become popular
Indian
worldwide
practice.
today. Yes, like yoga. Yes,
Everyone, they want to good health,
yes.
and they live just. Then I go. Otherwise, I want to stay at home because
Okay,
time is very precious for us.
okay. Yeah,
Okay, nice,
and
great.
that type of that very famous in pandemic. Our scriptures, like Western, they also interested into our scriptures. They not.
It was not in our trend, but
Yes,
now
yes.
we all are celebrate. But
Can say all children want to celebrate each and her birthday. Yeah.
truly,
And yes, how can we combine our tradition Indian value with modern influence? But yes, that's the code of tradition, dress, so,
yeah.
and how is our tradition they aware of. Otherwise, I think they don't know.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Very good
How are you?
afternoon. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Well, thank you for
Okay, so
asking.
how
What's
is your
about
day
you?
going on?
Yeah, my day, I can say good. Yes, no complaints. Yes. So we are meeting
Great.
very first time. So we are introduce ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
I go first.
sure.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
okay, okay.
My name is Lalita Jangir. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker and simultaneously I also run a YouTube channel, English with Lalita Kumari. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers and my interest. So listening audiobook, try to cultivate reading habit also these days. And apart from traveling, I'm blessed with a daughter. I live in joint family. That's all about me.
So, great introduction. Lovely to hear that.
Okay.
So, yeah, I would love to introduce myself. So,
Okay.
as you know that my name is Kiran Sao. I'm from West Bengal. If I
Okay.
talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors. Now I'm homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. Along with I'm running my YouTube channel named English with Kiran, where I upload English related content like solo video and grammar and some conversational video. So, and if I talk my hobbies, so interact new people and cooking, these are my hobbies. So that's all about me. Now, due to busy schedule, I'm not into reading, but I love
Oh,
to read. So
okay.
that's
Okay.
all about,
Amazing. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
I can say amazing introduction. Yeah.
So running YouTube channel and you are a homemaker, it's a very tough task, but how do you manage?
Actually, I have great habit.
Because
I
you're,
can say yes, early riser
yeah,
person. So that's why this is possible. Good habit. Otherwise,
yeah,
I think not
if you,
possible.
yeah, it's it's a true that if you want to do something in your life, definitely you have to put your effort and you have to inculcate your mind that I have to do something and I have to
Yes,
do
yes.
work, right?
Your
It's a
goal is,
great,
yeah, your goal is clear. So, yes, you absolutely
yeah,
doing
truly.
the effort
If
also.
you,
Yes.
yeah,
So,
firstly in firstly you have to set in your mind that I have to do something. Then
yes,
after
yes,
everything will be do smoothly.
yes. And universe
right?
also help in our journey.
Yeah.
Yes.
Firstly we have to take decision, then after God help us. Because if we don't know to do anything, then God never help us.
Yes, yes. So
Right.
may I know about your English learning journey?
Yeah, surely. Initially, I started my journey watching conversational video and watching some sentences. But I'm
Okay.
not that much fascinated about learning English language. But just 9 months back, I got to know that because of English language, my children suffering some difficulties. So that's why I decided myself that I have to learn this language. And my personal goal too, here that I wanted to be fluent speaker earlier, but I didn't try to speak. But when I felt that now I'm learning this language, so I started my journey, starting audio call. Then after, now it's been 2 months, I have been running my YouTube channel. And through the internet we can reach
Yes,
easily,
yes.
right? Because lack of, earlier it was not possible, but now it's a easy nowadays, right?
Yes, yes.
Every person just we feel that they discuss.
Yes, yes. Share your thought on influence of Western culture on Indian youth. Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think, what type of I mean, what western trend do you notice that in your life every day? I mean, you feel that this is western trend I notice.
So I can say Western culture, the significant influence our culture. I can say very influence, and in I can say the fashion, music, lifestyle. Yes, that's era, and yeah, through the social media and movies, globalization. So that's I can say in the peak. That's I feel. And you share your ideas about this topic.
Great. Okay, I just mostly you notice in my life and in my surrounding that mostly fashion. Like our
Yes,
culture,
yes,
there is no, yeah, there earlier it was not in trend that we wear jeans, right? We wore jeans and casual dress. We sari and yeah, salwar. It was, these are our trend. But
yes,
now every person has changed. Every person like to um, wear jeans, casual dress. So this type of things I notice in my surrounding and in my day to day life. Like people wants to wear jeans and casual dress. And apart from this, I notice that a person mostly they like to, I mean, listen music, like, and watch Netflix. So this type of platform, internet mainly, I want to say that we can use internet like Western things. So
yes,
these type of things I notice, and we mostly we like to watch Netflix and music of Western culture. So this
yes,
type of
yes,
thing we notice.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, in men's also Indo-Western type of clothes also, yeah. And you mentioned yes, jeans also, and yeah, I can say in music, hip hop, like many form of music, hip hop, that dance form also. So that's also very influencing, and
Yeah.
yes,
Great.
that's I feel, and I can say, what part of Western culture influence like the most?
What part? I
Yes.
think internet mainly influence us.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yes, internet
Internet
also, and
mainly.
yes, I can say
Main part internet.
entertainment. Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
entertain.
Entertainment and
Main,
technology, pop music, that's
yeah,
also very influence. Yes. Uh,
yeah. Yeah, technology, you can
Yes,
you said right that technology is mainly influence us, because earlier it was not, but now these days we can't live without technically things, right?
yes,
Everything we can say that nowadays we depend on machine
yes, yes,
whole
and
day. In the yeah, after waking up, we everything we use like a machine, and after, I mean, before going to bed, whole day we use machine. So
yes, yes.
these are things influence us most.
Yes, yes,
You
of course.
said
And
right.
yeah, I can say I can say a movie, Chupa Chup, that I think Kartik Aaryan movie. And I think, I don't know you watch or not. I also not full movie
No.
watch, but yeah, little bit. So there is mention the live-in relationship. That is the Western culture. In our culture,
Yeah.
that not, I can say, not good, but because of, I think, that type of movie and the Indian youth and the influence. Yeah, that's I feel. Yeah. So
Nice.
entertainment
Great.
also. And so second question, how can we combine tradition practice with modern influence?
Christmas we can celebrate in our culture, in our
Yes, yes,
state, and in India. It's
yes,
all about out of, I mean, we can Western culture, but we celebrate in our India. So this
yes.
is our combined, I can say,
And
combined
one more, I can say,
traditional
New Year, New Year. I think we different state. I can
New
say
Year.
different New Year. I think
Yeah, New Year.
so.
Yeah,
That's
mostly
also uh, influence. We
it
are
was, yeah, it
influence.
was national. Yeah, national. I mean, it was Western culture, but we also celebrate 1st January and Christmas. We also celebrate.
Yes, yes. And I think
Yeah.
most of the people don't know the real New Year.
Yeah.
Most
Yeah.
of uh,
It's true. I sometimes I forgot
yes.
when our
Okay.
New Year, March, April.
Yes.
Yeah,
After the
sometimes I
holy
forgot.
festival.
So it's
Yes.
happened
Yes.
because
After.
we now yeah, these days we accept Western culture. So that's why we
Yes.
forgot
Yes.
our culture, and we remember all time Western culture, Western
Yes.
traditional, Western festival we celebrate. So that's
Yes.
why it's a very, our culture, you can see study also. Some
Yes.
people don't like to speak Hindi. They like, I mean, so in this era, I think most of people like speak like a native speaker. English.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And I think, I feel like their mother tongue is English. So
Okay.
I think it's the first language of them. I feel like
Yes.
this. So sometimes it's happen.
Yes. And one
Right.
more, Valentine week. So that also Western culture. Many type of day, I can say, promise day, hug day, many type of. So that's also Western
Rose
culture.
Day, Valentine. Yeah, it's a
Yes.
totally Western culture. We don't celebrate, but earlier we didn't celebrate, but now
Be-
these days we are celebrate.
yes, because of social media influence.
Yeah, because of social media. Yeah,
We
you can
know,
say
and
social
after,
media
yeah.
influence. In this era, there is no matter what, I mean, some Bengali celebrate, but means everyone
Function.
celebrate every festival. Eid
Okay.
and Holi, there are so many festivals, we are all celebrate. There is no need that our festival and your festival, we all together celebrate every festival this in this era. So through the internet, through the social media, we can say
Yes, yes. How has Indian practice become popular
Indian
worldwide
practice.
today? Yes, like yoga. Yoga is ancient from, yes, Indian, but that time I think we are not aware of. And after first Western. this accept, and then now we also feel, yeah, yoga is very important for us.
Yeah, yoga nowadays very famous.
Yes,
Everyone, they want to good health,
yes,
and they live just after waking up, just half an hour they keep ourselves for health. So nowadays yoga is
yes,
very important, and it's a important for us because
yes,
everyone want to be keep away. See,
yes.
everyone wants, but I do not do any yoga because
Okay,
whole day I'm busy. I don't get
okay,
time to do yoga. Yeah, because I think I'm fit, and in the morning it's a so hectic day for me. So I
okay,
do not do any yoga and walk. Never. Earlier, I used to pick my kids from school, so it was possible that little bit I walk. But
okay,
I used to walk little bit. But
okay,
now I am totally confined myself at home, so it's not possible. And whenever I need to go outside, then I go. Otherwise, I want to stay at home because
okay,
time is very precious for us.
okay. Yeah, I
So
also
yeah,
now I can say cultivate that habit. Now I'm early riser and doing yoga, meditation, little bit, not much, and yes, walking
yeah.
also. So that's I do for my whole day calm and compose. Yes,
Do you do?
yes,
Do you
yes,
do yoga
yes,
every day?
yes, every day. Yeah,
Okay, nice, great.
and yes,
Actually,
I can say yoga also and namaste. This type of culture. Uh, I think in pandemic we not handshake, that we do only the namaste, that type of, that very famous in pandemic. I think, and
yeah,
that also, and yeah, more our scriptures, like Western, they also interested into our scriptures. They not more, I can say, take the classes also, and we know like Bhagavad Gita, that type of. So they more into this. Yeah, that's also. Yeah.
and what about you? I mean, just cake birthday. It was not in our trend, but
Yes,
now
yes.
we all are celebrate birthday. It is all about Western culture, is it?
Yes,
But
yes.
nowadays, people like to cut cake and celebrate birthday. So
Yes,
it's
yes.
all about Western culture.
Yes. Depend on
Yeah,
person to
we are.
person. Yes. Now this
Yeah,
is trend, and in my we not celebrate in earlier, in my childhood we never celebrate cut the
yeah,
cake and after. Yeah, but now all children, I can say, the trend, I can say, all children want to celebrate each and her birthday. Yeah.
truly.
And yes, how can we combine our tradition Indian value with modern influence of
Not,
new ideas? And I think school also celebrate different type of, like sometimes they prefer, yes, that the code of tradition dress. So,
yeah,
and if we celebrate the festival, so our children also know how is our tradition. They are aware of. Otherwise, I think they don't know what is our tradition.
yeah. So they 1 month ago they they told me, yeah, this dress you should buy and that dress you should buy. And I have two kids. I'm totally mess up. How did you how do you manage? How I manage? Okay. So it's a
Okay.
happen with me.
Think become a mother after we learn patience also, so many things.
Yeah.
That's a new
Already we
journey.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. We I can say we are already a full plate, a lot on our plate. Okay, we have a lot on our plate. And apart from this, they give us a lot of work, like buying clothes, go market and buy clothes, and some practice do at home. These type of things. They at a Western culture, they are very freedom, but we are not freedom. We are just a, uh, I mean, not a negative sense, but we are confined with family and committee. Okay, but Western people, they are just they have a freedom mind. They don't care about others. Mainly, I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
we feel like someone would say about me, okay, about us, but they don't feel like this. They just, yeah, I have to do, and they, I mean, open minded. They have open minded in
Okay.
Western
Yeah,
people
I think depend on person to person.
culture. Yeah,
Culture
yeah,
also,
it's
yeah,
depend on.
depend on person to person, I think.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
is
true.
their upbringing, I can say, that factor also very matter because my upbringing is different and your also different. So we our that I can say different. So we our thinking pattern that also different and our so and depend on our environment many things I think.
Yeah, truly. Great.
So
I think time is running
we
out.
yes
Yeah.
can,
So
can
thank
we
you for,
wrap up the session? Yeah.
yeah, yeah. You can
Okay, okay.
wrap up the session, and thank you for giving me your precious time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much once again. Yeah. I'm was always grateful for that. Yeah. See you.
Thank
Bye.